As a business manager, you'd like to commit to a janitorial vendor, but how do you know if the cleaning will be any good? Will the service make life easier or present new challenges? Many cleaning companies make big promises, only to have the quality of service decline over time. And when a cleaning company fails to deliver, it's often at the expense of the customer. Hiring a vendor can take considerable time and effort. Thankfully, not anymore. At Business Cleaning Solutions, our 30-day cleaning challenge was designed to make the process easier. Our promise to you is simple. In 30 days or less, we guarantee you will have a consistently cleaner business and receive fewer cleaning complaints. What's more, all contracts are month to month. What do you have to lose by trying something new? So take the 30-day cleaning challenge and team up with a cleaning company that will help promote your business in a positive light rather than tarnish it. We take care of the cleaning so you can focus on more important things, like your business. Book your free cleaning appraisal today to get started.